Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn capital letters alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, green color, red color, yellow color, black color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple. A is for ant. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B is for ball. B is for bat. Kids, now draw C. C is for cat. C is for car. Kids, now draw D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. Kids, now draw F. F is for fish. F is for fan. G. G is for God. G is for glass. Kids, now draw H. H is for hand. H is for helicopter. And use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw I. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. Kids, now draw K. K is for kite. K is for king. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. M. M is for moon. M is for mango. Kids, again use red color and draw N. N is for nose. N is for nest. Kids, now draw O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Kids, now draw Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Kids, now draw R. R is for rose. R is for rice. And use black color. S. S is for sun. S is for snake. Kids, again use black color and draw T. T is for teacher. T is for tiger. Kids, again use black color and draw U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. Kids, now draw V. V is for van. V is for vanilla. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw W. W is for wolf. W is for watch. Kids, again use blue color and draw X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. Kids night Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yeah. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.